Get ready, because I'm about to share the secret to transforming your mornings into a powerhouse of productivity. Starting your day with intention and purpose can completely change your daily experience. It sets the tone for how you'll tackle every challenge that comes your way. Mornings can be tough, especially for women who have a million things on their plate. Feeling overwhelmed and unmotivated is a common struggle. Many of us hit the snooze button repeatedly, roll out of bed, and stumble through our morning routine without much thought or enthusiasm. This can lead to a day filled with procrastination and lack of focus. When you wake up feeling sluggish and uninspired, it's hard to shake off that feeling, and it can affect your entire day. You might find yourself struggling to get things done, feeling like you're just going through the motions, and never really reaching your full potential. Feeling overwhelmed in the morning can be extremely debilitating. It's like carrying a heavy weight that you can't shake off, and it can be really hard to get out of that mindset. Women often have so many responsibilities, from work to family, and it can be hard to prioritize yourself in the morning, but it's so important to take care of yourself first. When you start your day feeling stressed and anxious, it can be hard to make healthy choices, and you might find yourself reaching for unhealthy habits to cope. You deserve to start your day feeling empowered and confident, and it all begins with creating a morning routine that works for you. Creating a positive morning routine can be a game changer. It helps you stay focused, energized, and motivated throughout the day. Start by setting a consistent wake-up time, and then prioritize the things that make you feel good, whether that's exercise, meditation, or simply enjoying a cup of coffee in peace. Exercise is a great way to boost your energy and wakefulness. Even just a short walk or some stretching can make a big difference. Meditation and deep breathing can also help calm your mind and set a positive tone for the day. Another great tip is to get some natural light. It helps regulate your circadian rhythms and can really help increase your energy levels. I used to struggle with mornings. I'd wake up feeling tired and unmotivated, but then I started making small changes to my routine, and it completely transformed my day. I began by setting a consistent wake-up time, and then I started incorporating activities that brought me joy, like reading and journaling. As I continued to prioritize my morning routine, I noticed a huge shift in my productivity and mindset. I felt more focused and energized throughout the day, and I was able to tackle challenges with confidence. I've also heard from so many women who have made similar changes and seen incredible results. It's amazing how something as simple as a morning routine can have such a profound impact on our lives. One woman I know started waking up early to practice yoga, and it completely changed her outlook on life. She felt more centered and grounded, and she was able to approach challenges with a clear mind. Starting your day strong is crucial. It sets the tone for how you'll tackle every challenge that comes your way, and it can completely transform your daily experience. Get ready to slay your day. Ladies, share your own morning routines in the comments below, and don't forget to check out my other videos for more tips on empowerment and productivity.